Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I have with me a functional and stylish bed accessory that may just be the perfect new addition for your pickup. This time, it's from the team over at Black Horse Off-Road, and this is their Armour Series Roll Bar. So in this video, I'm going to review every single detail of this Armour Roll Bar from Black Horse, including its features, construction, and even how to get it installed, so let's get started. Alright guys, so here it is. This is Black Horse Off-Road's Armour Bed Roll Bar. Now, not too long ago, I reviewed a set of their front and rear Armour off-road bumpers. And considering their price and available options, I really felt they were a fantastic value. So when I found out I could get my hands on one of their bed roll bars, I just had to check it out. This Black Horse Armour Roll Bar is the perfect for the pickup owner that wants to spice up the styling of their truck and also make it more functional. Now, when it comes to strength and styling, Black Horse uses thick 3-inch square tubing to ensure that this roll bar is going to hold up over time. And of course, the entire roll bar is then coated in a textured black powder coat for that signature off-road look and to keep the metal protected from corrosion. But we all know that the main reason that most of us even want a roll bar in the bed of our truck is for auxiliary lighting. Well, this Armour Roll Bar from Black Horse has plenty of room for that. You can choose to install a series of individual pod lights or just go all out and install a massive single or even double row light bar up to 50 inches long. With this roll bar, you're going to have plenty of space to mount all the lighting that you could possibly need for the perfect off-road visibility. All right, now that we have all the features and construction of this roll bar covered, let's talk about the installation. Now, I do want to make all of you guys aware that this roll bar will involve some drilling into your truck to get it installed. Now, if you don't feel comfortable with that, just take it down to your local shop and they can handle that for you. Now, for those of you that are doing this on your own and installing it yourself, it is pretty easy and you only need some basic hand tools and a drill. First, you need to assemble the roll bar, and that's going to mean bolting together the horizontal connection plate in the center to the sides. With it assembled, place it on the bed rails of your truck and use a marking tool to mark where you're going to need the drill. After that, it's just a matter of drilling a few holes and using the provided hardware to then bolt it into place. Wire up the lighting of your choice and you're going to be ready for some late night wheeling. Well everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Black Horse Off-Road's Armour Series Roll Bar. So, if you want to spice up the off-road appeal of your pickup and even add some additional lighting in the process, head over to CarID.com now to check out this Armour Series Roll Bar from Black Horse and all the other amazing off-road gear that they have to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com and I will see you guys next time.